Hey everyone, I just wanted to post a very brief novice video for how to get started in Canva. I think most of y'all are using Canva, but if not, it's really cool. I don't know it very well, but this will get you started for the assignment. And keep in mind the spirit of this assignment, as you'll see in the research that's posted, is that our creative spirit seems to be declining over the years. And so we want to nourish that because I don't know where we are as a population without a creative problem solving, without creating stuff that lights us up, new music, new art, new poetry, and so forth, or whatever it might be, a new app, new technology. So the creative spirit's really needed, and that's what we want to do is foster that. I also pulled up a trends in positive psychotherapy recently, and they talked about studying more in depth creativity and how that impacts us at all levels. So let's take this and look at just very quickly how we can set up a page and create a, and you can create this page however you want. I'm going to come here and grab it, and we got a blank page here. I'm going to grab artwork from one of my favorite local artists, Joyce Blanc. And at this point, oh, I'd already posted something here. Let me get that off. Okay. At this point, I can, I can do whatever I want here. I can shrink this down. I can, by the way, if you ever struggle with this, as I sometimes do, click off the image and then click back on, and then you can position it. But what I like here is that I can go, hey, I want to apply this to the background. And then I can come here and say, all right, and definitely be sure to follow the assignment guidelines. I can come here and say, hey, I really liked the gratitude information. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to make that the title. That's what we're focusing on. I'm sure there's a quicker way to get this. But let's go to 60, and then what I can do is if I click back on it, I can say, hey, let's put this to the top left and go to the top of the page, or I could perhaps center it. So I can do all kind of cool things with there. I can change, and maybe I'll do that with another thing here. Is I can come here and say, hey, I'm going to add another text box, and I'm going to say, is good for your brain. Gratitude is good for your brain. Let me enlarge that a little bit, and then I'm going to come in here and say, hey, I actually want that in white or whatever color. I can position that wherever I want it. I'm going to put page numbers down at the bottom here, so don't worry about that. But just to kind of give you an idea of how we can create our page, and I was just wanting to see if there was anything cool else here. Okay, and that should get us started on how to do that. So all right, and we will talk to you in the next video. Take good care.